Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Tradelocker versus Match Trader. So which one of these two are better? So you have Match Trader in the right and Tradelocker in the left. So the difference between these two is pretty similar, but it actually has a few regional things that you might want to consider. So here, first we'll go to Match Trader. So Match Trader, once you open the application, this is what you're met with. You don't have to sign in with any accounts yet, but you can open a live account later. So this will directly give a actual starting page where it's a demo and you can actually already start trading as a demo account. So here you have your guest account, I mean. So you can sign in and sign up right here. You can check your performance, so you can edit your profile, of course. And let's see right here. You can get your user settings right here, security, investor access, and many much more. So it's really simple to use this match trader if you know what you're doing already, since it's already ready and easy to use. So here in your trader locker, it's a different story. So it won't give you access right away to the actual application, but only when you actually have an account. So to make an account, it says right here, you must use your login credentials provided by the broker of your trading firm. So if you don't have one, you must get access right here, and you must start now with a prop firm or a broker that will help you get your account, and then can you only make a demo or a live account. So it's going to be frustrating for other beginners if they don't have the actual account on hand and they don't know the features that it offers. But I would say Match Trader is way better than Trade Locker. But Trade Locker is trusted actually by 25 or 23 white label prop firms around the world. So when it comes to the features, we are gonna go with our Match Trader right here. Everything is actually ready, simple enough for you to understand, with your max daily loss and your max loss written on top, calendar, copy trading, and many much more. All the tabs are located where you need it conveniently in your phone. So when you go to your trade locker, it won't even show you anything. You must have an account first, which is sometimes complicated to getting a funded account because you have to go through process, through process, through process. So there you go, guys. This is the verdict. Match Trader is better than Trade Locker, but Trade Locker has more prop firms available rather than your Match Trader. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.